I'm going to show you how to install Pinterest on your phone. As you can see, I'm on an Android phone, so I'm going to click on the Play Store right here, and you want to tap on apps at the bottom, or you can just simply click and search, and you can easily go ahead and search for Pinterest. So you type in Pinterest, you will see once you start to type that, it's going to populate, and you will find it, and you just want to click on install. It will take just a few, not even a minute or so to download and install, but it also depends on your internet speed as well. And as you can see right there, it's done, and I'm going to click on open. Now, once you open up Pinterest, you will need to log in to your account. So you need an active account. And so you can quickly create an account if you don't have one, or click on continue. I'm going to click on continue with Google right here. And I'm going to select my account. I'm going to click on agree and share, and it's going to quickly log me in. I'm going to even allow my notifications there. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and download and install Pinterest on your Android phone. Very easy and very simple.